G.Network full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. G.Network is a growing player in the UK broadband scene, offering high-speed fibre internet services with a strong focus on speed, reliability and customer service. G.Network primarily targets urban areas with their full fibre broadband, making them an excellent choice for households and businesses that require fast, stable connections for streaming, gaming, remote work and more. One of G.Network's key strengths is its full fibre infrastructure, which offers faster speeds and more reliable performance compared to traditional broadband connections. With speeds ranging from 150 Mbps to 1 GB/s, G.Network's fibre network is ideal for heavy users who need a consistent, high-performance connection. The company's fibre infrastructure is also less likely to experience congestion, offering a smoother experience during peak usage hours compared to providers relying on older copper networks. The pricing is competitive, especially considering the speed and reliability of the service, and the absence of hidden charges or confusing pricing structures makes it straightforward to understand. G.Network is also known for its transparent approach to customer service, offering UK-based support with fast response times. The installation process is fairly quick, and there's no upfront cost for setup, which is appealing for customers who want to avoid hefty initial payments. However, G.Network does have some limitations. Their coverage is still expanding, meaning that it's not available in all areas yet, particularly in rural or remote locations. While their focus on high-speed fibre is excellent for users in urban areas, customers in less populated regions may not have access. Additionally, G.Network doesn't offer additional services like TV or phone bundles, which some other providers include. For those looking for a more comprehensive package, G.Network might not be the best fit. In conclusion, G.Network offers excellent value for customers in urban areas who are seeking reliable, high-speed broadband with great customer service. If you're looking for top-tier fibre internet and live in an area they serve, G.Network is a solid choice. However, for those in rural areas or looking for bundled services, you may need to explore other options.